Hey boys and girls, today we are talking about the prefix photo. So photo means light, and I know you think photo probably means, oh, it's a picture, but it really means light, and we know that there is the prefix photo for lots of different words. And for example, here are 4 of them that you see. So again, we just said photo. Right here you see photograph. And the definition of photograph is a camera uses light to take a picture. So that's how we're incorporating this meaning of light, or that meaning of photo, into this definition of photograph. We also have photocopy, and that means a copier uses light to make a picture to print. So we're actually not saying light copy or light graph. We know that photo means that it's using light. So again, photocopy, when you make a photocopy, there's a light that scans the picture. Photosensitive, so if we know photo means light and sensitive means that like you you react differently to something. It says a bad reaction to light. So photosensitive is meaning you're going to be sensitive to light. So you might go outside, and if it's really, really bright, you might have some sort of issue with that. And our last one we want to talk about here quickly is photosynthesis. And that's when a plant uses light to make food. So we know that in order for plants to survive, they need air, they need water, and they need sunlight because they do the process of photosynthesis where they're taking in sun or that light and making or creating food for themselves in order for them to grow. We know that if we take the light away from the plant, they most likely will die. So again, photo here means light. Your next task is to do a multiple choice worksheet to fill in the blanks with the correct photo word. Good luck.